भाईगण सुदर्शन भारत परिक्रमा भारत कार रैली में सम्मानित गणमान्य व्यक्तियों,
इस अवसर पर एनएसजी ने सुदर्शन के बीच एकता की भावना बढ़ाएगी। इस गौरवशाली क्षण पर माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय की उपस्थिति से हम सभी गौरवान्वित हैं।
I am really honored and feel privileged to be the part of this flag off ceremony of Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama. NNG, one of the world's best counter-terror forces. The NSG has conducted numerous successful operations since its raising. The popular amongst them have been Operation Black Thunder 2 Golden Temple 1988, Operation Vajra Shakti Akshardham Temple Gandhinagar 2002, Operation Black Toronto Hotel Taj Mumbai 2008. NSG is doing it both ways very effectively, I would say. I wish the NSG car rally team good luck. I also wish NSG to carry on with all the good work and wish it many more glorious successes. The martial arts will protect the children from evil spirits around them, and it's my special appeal to the state governments. I appreciate the participants in the car rally, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Madam, look here, ma'am.
मैडम फोटोग्राफर मैडम